In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. First, a quick note on how Notion thinks about organization. Notion doesn't use traditional folders like your computer does. Instead, a folder is simply a page that contains other pages, and those are called subpages. The idea is the same though. You create a main page to act as your container, and then you place related pages inside it so everything stays organized and easy to find. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're looking at your workspace, create your container by making a new page. Click New Page. You'll see a blank page appear, ready to be named. Type a clear, descriptive title. Let's use Folder for this demonstration. Naming matters because this title is what you'll see in the sidebar and what you'll click later to open it. You can keep the page simple. You don't need to add any content inside right now since its main job will be to hold other pages. Now look to the left sidebar. This is where all your pages live. You should see the new folder page listed there, along with your other pages. To turn folder into a container, you'll nest pages under it. Click and hold any page you want to move, then drag it over the folder page in the sidebar. When folder highlights, release your mouse. That page is now a subpage inside folder. If you have several pages you want to group together, repeat the drag and drop process for each one. Take your time and drop them one by one so you see them land exactly where you expect. As you add subpages, you'll notice a small arrow appear to the left of the folder page in the sidebar. Click that arrow to expand the folder and reveal all the pages you've placed inside. Click the arrow again to collapse it and keep your sidebar tidy. This makes it easy to hide the details when you don't need them and quickly reveal them when you do. From here, you can open any subpage by clicking its name under Folder. If you want to adjust the order, just drag subpages up or down within the folder section until they're arranged the way you like. And if you ever add more related content, repeat the same drag and drop process to keep everything grouped. That's it. You created a new page to serve as your folder, dragged existing pages onto it to make subpages, and used the arrow to expand and view what's inside. Simple, clean, and organized.